Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Tired of boring slide decks? In this video, I will show you how to use Prezi in 2025 to create dynamic zooming presentations that engage your audience, whether for work, school, or YouTube. First of all, head over to prezi.com, click Get Started button, and choose your account type. Enter your first and last name, email address, password, a strong password, then occupation like a student, department, and click continue. You can sign up with email, then Google or Microsoft. Prezi offers three main products: Prezi Present for zooming presentations, Prezi Video to record with visuals alongside you, Prezi Design for infographics and reports. For this tutorial, we will use Prezi Present. Now pick a plan from here. I'll click continue with basics, then follow the steps. Once you are in, click presentation, create new. Now pick a template to preview like that. Then click use this template. Then select private for now. Then you will see a main canvas with zoomable planets or nodes. Each one holds a section of your presentation. Click on my section to zoom in and edit. Click on any section like that. You can add text, images, icons, or even videos. Use left side panel to reorder scenes or add a new one. You can add frame, add new frame like that. Then go to media section, then image. Now you can upload an image from your desktop like that, and add it to here. Use short bullet point. Keep visuals relevant. Avoid over cluttering each sense. What makes Prezi special is its motion paths. Use the path settings to control how your presentation zooms from one topic to the next. You can zoom out clicking by the minus button. What makes you can switch from planet view to stack view or make objects zoom in place. You can zoom in, zoom out clicking by mouse cursor. Then click share button to invite team members, teammates, or copy the view link only. To present, hit present. Start presentation. Then present like that. That's good. And use your keyboard arrow or mouse to move through the scenes. You can also connect Prezi to Zoom, Google Meet, or record yourself with Prezi video for virtual presentations. Prezi lets you record presentations or export as a PDF or video with the right plan. Now, click ESC from your keyboard. Click the download button, export to PDF, or use Prezi video to export a full video. Then follow the payment process. And that's how to use Prezi in 2025 to create modern, engaging presentations. If this helped you, drop a like, subscribe, and check out my next video on Prezi video for YouTube creators. Thanks for watching.